Featured here are two new products for plasma cutting tables. One is the adapter fixture, shown in orange here. It's a 3D printed part component that allows a hand torch to be used and a machine torch fixture. In this case, a breakaway magnetic Boss Manufacturing or any vertical orientated torch holder. With this fixture you can put a standard hand torch in here. This one happens to be a Lotus LTP 7000, which is a 70 amp high frequency plasma cutter. I also have a RFI EMF shielded kit available to allow the use of a high frequency plasma cutter system regardless of brand. Also is this Reactive Plasma Exciter, which is a steam injected system. Starts off as mist, but it gets turned to steam in the plasma beam cut zone. So I'll go ahead and invoke start, cycle start, zero out the code. This is a Mach 3 program. Zero out, cycle start. Close this up to shield the computer and drive system. My EMF RFI kit is also available at Arc-Jet-Weld.com. Again, it allows the use of almost any type of high-frequency plasma cutter, so one does not have to convert to a pilot arc system. So here's a good example of the quality of cut that I'm getting with my Reactive Plasma Exciter. See how quickly it turns to steam? That mist turns to instant steam in the cut zone. Plasma beam cut zone. So it augments a greater cutting capacity and cleaner cutting capacity. Furthermore, reduces the amount of toxins one might breathe in their shop environment. Alright, check out these new products exclusively at Arc-Jet-Weld.com. Thank you for your interest. Almost laser quality. CT out.